This short video has been created to mimic the structure of videos created by Zoom when webinars are recorded. You will need to imagine that the people are talking and that the images shown by the presenter are of a high quality.
Hi, folks. We're just sorting a couple of technical things out. So if you give us a moment, and then, I will do a quick introduction, and then Fiona will start. But we just need everybody to come in and, to get things going. Right. Okay. Yeah, I think. So, I think everybody's managed to get in. I will introduce myself, because most people who've done these talks before may not know who I am. My name's Mary Smith, and I'm one of the volunteers. I'm delighted to introduce Fiona Baker, a highly acclaimed textile artist bringing over 20 years of experience to her craft. Fiona specializes in intricate fabric collage, a technique she elevates through detailed free machine stitching. Her dedication and distinctive style have led to her pieces being exhibited globally, earning recognition on the international stage. Beyond her successful exhibition career, Fiona is deeply committed to teaching and knowledge sharing, passionately guiding students to develop their own skills and find creative expression in textile art. Her extensive background makes her an invaluable resource for this discussion. I will now hand over to Fiona.
Good evening, everyone. It's an absolute pleasure to be here with you today, ready to dive into the captivating world of fabric collage. My name is Fiona Baker, and I'm incredibly excited to share my passion and insights into a textile art form that, for me, truly brings fabrics to life. For over 2 decades, I've had the privilege of exploring the endless possibilities that fabric offers. What truly fascinates me about fabric collage is its unique ability to tell stories, evoke emotions, and create entirely new visual narratives, all from humble pieces of cloth. We're not just assembling fabrics, we're weaving together textures, colors, and patterns to form a cohesive, often surprising, whole. My own journey has primarily focused on combining these diverse fabrics with the dynamic technique of free machine stitching. This allows me to draw with thread, adding depth, texture, and definition that truly elevates the collage from a flat surface to a vibrant, tactile artwork. Throughout this workshop, we'll explore how to look at fabrics not just as material, but as potential brushstrokes in your textile painting. We'll discuss composition, color theory, and how to select materials that speak to each other. Whether you're a seasoned textile artist or completely new to this medium, my goal is to inspire you, equip you with foundational techniques, and encourage you to unleash your own creative voice through the joy of fabric collage. Let's begin our journey into textile storytelling. I need to turn my screen off and swap to my camera. Whoops, just a second, that didn't quite work. Okay, that seems to be okay now. Let's get started with the demonstration. First and foremost, you need your fabrics. As you saw me do earlier, collect a variety of scraps. You need materials with different textures and weights. Think sheer lace, sturdy denim, patterned cotton, and even silks. Alongside this, have a piece of backing fabric, a plain cotton or linen works well, and a piece of thin batting or felt. These last two form the foundation that gives your collage stability and a nice, tactile surface. Next, we need our tools for cutting and securing. A small, sharp pair of scissors is essential for precision work. If you prefer, a rotary cutter can speed up cutting straight lines. For holding down your initial collage layers, I recommend fine straight pins or, for those who prefer, a little bit of temporary washable fabric glue applied very sparingly. This prevents the fabric pieces from shifting before stitching. Finally, the star of the show, your stitching setup. You will need a standard domestic sewing machine, but it must be configured for free machine stitching. This means 2 things. You must drop the feed dogs, this is usually a switch near the needle plate, and attach a darning or free motion foot. Dropping the feed dogs is crucial because it gives you complete control over the direction and speed of your fabric movement, allowing you to truly draw with thread. You'll also need a good quality, strong thread in a color that complements your design. So, that is the end of the demonstration. Are there any questions, Mary?
Thank you very much, Fiona. That was a very interesting demonstration and I can't wait to have a go. We don't have any questions, but several of our attendees have said how much they enjoyed the demonstration. I'll just let people know about our next event. Sally Coombs will be talking to us about her research into Romanian embroidery on October 5th at 7 p.m. and Sally will be back the following week on October 12th at 7 p.m. with a workshop where we will have the chance to sew a traditional Romanian design. That remains for me to say thank you to Fiona for a very engaging demonstration and thank you to our audience for coming to today's demonstration. I hope to see you at our next event. So, we will both say goodbye. Goodbye.
Thank you and goodbye.